Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So let's start the new lesson, the Mauryan Empire. So in the Mauryan Empire, first let us discuss about the invention of Alexander. So the Alexander is also called a Alexander the Great. So Alexander invaded India about 326 BC, means before Christ. When the Alexander invaded India about 326 BC, at the time the northwestern part of India was divided into the monarchies and republics. So these monarchies and republics each in conflict with the others. So that the king is Ambi. Ambi is the king of Taxila. He sided with the Alexander against the king Porus. It is the statue of the Porus. Porus is the Hindu king of the Pauravas. And the Porus was defeated and taken as a prisoner. So when the Alexander defeated the Porus and taken as a prisoner, Alexander asked the Porus how should treat him. Then Porus boldly replied, as a king, treat king. So when the Porus replied, as a king, treat a king, so this impressed the Alexander and he returned the Porus territory. And during the Alexander invention, so the mighty Magadha Empire, see this is the Magadha Empire during the Alexander invention. During the Alexander invention, so the mighty Magadha Empire was ruled by the Dhanananda. See, is the Dhanananda is the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty. So Magadha capital is a Pataliputra. So it had a large and powerful army. So according to the legend says that the initially Alexander's soldiers refused to cross the river Bias and faced the mighty Magadha army. And moreover, so the Alexander soldiers were tired of fighting continuous wars, and the Alexander soldiers got homesick. So when Alexander, seeing that unwillingness of his soldiers, agreed to turn back. So what are the effects of the Alexander invention? So there are several effects are there. Among them, the Alexander invention marked the beginning of chronological reconstruction of ancient Indian history. The small state in the northwestern part of India lost their power and gave the way for the rise of the Mauryan Empire. Thirdly, Alexander invention led a political unity among the Indian rulers, and it brought India in close contact with the European countries. And the new trade routes with the European countries were opened up. So these are all the effects of Alexander invention. So now the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire was ruled from 322 BC to 185 BC. So the Mauryan Empire was originated from the Magadha Empire. Magadha Empire. See, this is the Magadha Empire in the Indo-Gangetic plains of modern Bihar, eastern Uttar Pradesh, and Bengal. So, which is the capital city of Mauryan Empire? The capital city of Mauryan Empire is Pataliputra. Present day, it is called Patna. So then, what are the sources? Give us information about the originate of the Mauryan Empire. So there are several sources are there. Among them, first, literary sources. The literary sources are Puranas and Kautilya's Arthashastra Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasa, Kalhana's Rajataringini, Buddhist text, and Jaina text are the main literary sources. And even the foreign travelers' accounts means the Megasthenes came to India and Megasthenes wrote Indica book. It also gives us information about the Mauryan Empire and archaeological sources. So, what are the archaeological sources give us information about the Mauryan Empire? Caves, rocks, pillars, edicts, and stupas. These are the main sources of the Mauryan Empire. So, in the next class, let us discuss about the establishment of the Mauryan Empire.